Hi, today in front of me Xiaomi 12 Lite and I'll show you how to change fingerprint sensor animation on this device. So now let's see our currently animation. This is like neon. And now let's go first to the settings and scroll down to the passwords and security. After that, we can see here fingerprint unlock. Click here, enter your unlock method, and you'll see fingerprint animation section, and just change your animation from neon to straight, dream, or to iris. For example, let's use this one. Now let's go back to save the changes, lock the smartphone, and we can see that we just successfully changed fingerprint sensor animation on our Xiaomi 12 Lite. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.